With the intervention of rice transplanters, the problem of scarcity of laborers was dealt with. However, for using rice transplanters, you will need to prepare a rice seeding mat nursery that can be done manually as well as mechanically. More number of laborers and time are required for manual bed preparation. The biggest issue with manual bed preparation is irregular seed distribution in the mat, leading to missing seedlings on the field as well as seed overlapping. The nursery mat should be cut as per the width of the rice transplanter's planting frame. With RNM 600, the automatic rice nursery sowing machine from the House of Redlands, you will be able to prepare tray nurseries with ease. The RNM 600 has 3 funnels, 2 for soil and 1 for seeds. Works on single phase electric connection. Connect the water hose to the water outlet connection and switch on the RNM 600. After filling both the outermost funnels with soil, fill the middle funnel with seeds. Start putting the trays on the conveyor one after the other. The first funnel will evenly put some quantity of sprinkling soil and level it. Then water droplets from overhead pipes will wet the soil. Water is sprinkled over the tray to wet the soil. The second funnel will disperse seeds evenly. Then the third funnel tops off the tray with covering soil and levels it. Only 8 to 12 kg of seeds are required per acre. The trays are automatically stacked as soon as they reach the end of the conveyor. RNM 600 can handle dual size nursery trays, that is 24 cm as well as 30 cm trays. Less space required to prepare mat nursery. Two people can prepare nursery mat for 40 acres of land per day, considering 8 hours of working time. 600 to 800 trays can be prepared per hour. These seedlings are at their 10th day of growth. Now after 15 days, they are ready to be planted. The stored trays have to be irrigated daily until they are ready for transplanting in 12 to 15 days, depending on the crop variety. Healthier and faster growing seedlings. With firm and thicker stems, they are sure to provide a better yield. The nursery can be easily separated from the tray and the trays can be reused. (25 to 30% increase in yield). The seedlings are ready for planting after 12 to 15 days. As they are of the same width, there is no need to cut the nursery. They can be easily slid into the rice transplanter's planting tray and be transplanted.